Chapter The Age of Exploration. During the mid of 15th and 16th century, many European explorers set out to find the sea routes to the east. This period was known as the Age of Exploration. So here a question arises. What was the need of sea route exploration when the land routes were already known? The trade with Asia was very important for the Europeans. This was not only because of the new technology but also to desire for Asian goods like spices from India and Southeast Asia, and silk and porcelain from China. During this time, the land trade route was controlled by the Arab traders, which resist the Europeans to trade with ancient countries. Portugal and Spain took the lead in discovering the sea route. This idea of making huge profits through sea trade led many other rulers to pay for the large voyages. And so, the start of sea route was first made by Portuguese Prince Henry the Navigator. In 1988, Bartholomew Diaz, a Portuguese explorer, reached the southern tip of Africa, but he could not go further as the sea was very rough. So he named the place Cape of Storms. Later it was renamed Cape of Good Hope because it offered the explorers the hope of reaching towards the eastern side. After this, an Italian explorer came to sail the boat in 1492. He set out from Spain to find a sea route to the east. His expedition was funded by King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain. However, instead of sailing towards eastwards, he sailed westwards and reached the Bahamas. Later, it was proved that it was not the part of Asia, but a new continent that he had discovered. It was called New World. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese explorer. In 1497, he started his voyage from Lisbon in Portugal. His trip was funded by King Manuel I of Portugal. He took the same route as Bartholomew Diaz and reached the Cape of Good Hope. Thereafter, he sailed towards north and reached Calicut. He was the first European to reach India by sea route. He loaded his ships with spices, which he later sold in Europe at a huge profit. Thereafter, he made two more trips to India. Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan's expedition was the first to sail around the world. He was an Portuguese explorer. Between 1519 and 1521, he sailed around the world. During this voyage, he discovered a passage between Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. This passage was later named Strait of Magellan. After the discovery of the sea route, the Portuguese, Spain, Dutch, French, and British arrived in East to trade. They set their trading centers in different areas. Trading continued for many centuries. Then they started to acquire territories and India became a colony of the British.